Hi, I'm Chris, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about the Visualiser and how it works. So first of all, go to Change View, pick the Visualiser, and the Visualiser is actually at the core of my reach. What the Visualiser does is that it shows you in 3 dimensions how all your information is interconnected between each other, how contacts are connected to articles, to locations, to places, notes what they were about, so on and so forth. In the Visualiser, you can rotate, spin it around, and see all of its connections. If you then click here, you'd then be able, on the top right corner, you'd then be able to see all of the little labels, which then get adjusted based on your look, so that essentially the screen doesn't get too cluttered. Green nodes are essentially websites. Blue nodes are tags, orange ones are notes, and yellow ones are albums. Gray ones, lastly, are documents. Then relationships between 2 tags are drawn in blue. Relationships between all other nodes are in light gray, and relationships that come from mentions are marked in red or purple, depends how you want to call it. You can see if you click on an item, it filters all the information for that item, showing you just a quick representation of what it is and all of the nodes connected to it. Essentially decluttering the rest, and the beauty of it is that then you can then see how some items might not be clustered around it, but might be pulled away from it, giving you a broader perspective and look as to how all your information is interconnected between each other. For more information about the details and all, check out our next video. And if you have any additional comments or if you have any feedback, please do let us know in our forum. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.